What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura TLX key fob. This key fob was used between 2015 and up to present day, and it uses a 2032 battery. You'll just need one of these batteries and a flathead screwdriver, and you can do the whole process yourself at home. If you'd like to buy one of these, I have put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for a really good price, and then you'll be able to follow along and do it yourself. So first, press this little lever on the front of the key fob and hold it down to pull out your internal key. Now you see this metal key ring here. We're going to use this to open the two halves of the key fob. Come to the back of the key fob, not the front with the buttons, but the back, and locate this little, if we can get it to focus, you'll see there's a little space in between the lip on the back of the key fob here and this piece of metal. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and put it right into that space, just like that, and you'll feel it's kind of secure. It'll hit the bottom. Put it in place all the way in. Make sure it's secure and firmly holding both the key fob and the flathead screwdriver. You will twist to create this kind of an opening. Doesn't take much force, just twist until you see this. And now you can come in, go down the side, twisting just like before. And with a click, it'll open up. Now I want you to come in on this side, coming from the bottom of the key fob, very gently, coming in with your flathead screwdriver. Maybe you want to put your thumb on the battery and just try to wiggle it under there. Just get your tool under, just like that. Twisting, finish it off with your fingers if you'd like, until it comes free. Now take a new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side with this battery information is facing up. You can slide it in to this side first, like that, and then click down on the other side, and it will go flush into place. Now reattach the two halves of the key fob. Put this back in. Go ahead, check the light. Perfect. If you succeeded and this video helped you out, go ahead and leave a like or a comment. And if you'd like a full guide on how to change this battery, or you'd like any information on any Acura key fob, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.